Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to turn off the computer in 1 minute using command prompt or CMD. And I like to make videos very short. Let's heads up. First we go to the start or the Windows key. Click, type command prompt, press enter, or you can click it on the command prompt. The command prompt or CMD page will be open. Type shutdown space dash s. Press enter. The computer will be shut down in 1 minute. That's all, and I want to make another video how to turn off the computer in 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half hour or 1 hour, 2 hours. I show you in other video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.